Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Airtable add-ons and sync sources step by step clearly. To uninstall Airtable add-ons, start by opening your Airtable base. Locate the Apps button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Apps button to open the Apps sidebar. In the sidebar, you will see a list of all installed add-ons. Find the add-on you wish to uninstall. Hover over the add-on you want to remove. Click on the three dots icon next to the add-on's name. Select Remove from the drop-down menu. Confirm the removal when prompted. The add-on will now be uninstalled from your Airtable base. Next, to sync your sources, navigate back to your Airtable base. Open the Sync feature from the sidebar menu. Choose the option for Sync from another base or Sync tables. Select the base or tables you want to sync from. Follow the prompts to complete the syncing setup. Make sure to configure any necessary settings for the sync. Once configured, click Start Sync. Your data will now begin to sync from the selected sources. Monitor the sync status through the Airtable interface. If needed, adjust any settings as data changes. Remember to check your base periodically for updates during the sync process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.